How to play Ragnarok 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with Ragnarok 2024 and dive into the gameplay. So, first, let's go to PlayStation.com and then search for Ragnarok. And as we can see here, we have seen God of War Ragnarok. And if you want to play this game, you should just have to buy the game, and usually this is where you can navigate to where you can buy the game. The alternative way to play Ragnarok God of War is just to search for in the Steam. So just search for God of War Ragnarok and you can see God of War Ragnarok in Steam. So you can click that and buy for $59 and you can play the game, and that's it.